We're testing the laws of physics, how an object in motion stays in motion unless acted upon by an outside force, and also potential and the kinetic energy. Potential is the energy that is before the ball launches, while kinetic energy is while the ball is launching. We had to use a mousetrap. We chose 2 mousetraps to get the highest potential energy. We were given about 2 months to figure out what materials we needed. We had to work with wood shop, with saws and measuring. At first, we started off with a heavy piece of wood to launch the ball, but then we realized that simpler is better, so we just used a chopstick. Some, instead of a chopstick, they used a spoon to test which would be the easiest and most concise way to get 10 balls in to a castle that Mr. Nelson made. We got 3 in and 1 bounced off, so that means